couldn't hear you. All right, Mawa. Damn, okay. Give me a second. Just 1 second. Let me set this up. And, all right. See my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So, wait. Yeah.
ఎవరు తయారు చేసినాడు ఇది?
నేనే. Yeah.
బొమ్మలు ఎక్కువ గీసినావని.
Yeah, of course, Mawa. I have to geesify కదా. I don't want this. Okay, cool. Okay, కనిపిస్తుంది.
సగం సగం.
What do you mean సగం సగం?
నా స్క్రీన్ నీ స్క్రీన్ కూడా కనపడుతుంది.
I don't know what to do. Just look at mine or pin the screen sharing screen on
It's already pinned, Sami.
Damn, okay, this is okay. What do you see right now?
Keep going, I can see.
No, I'm going to do this. I hope it's clear. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So నీకు తెలిసిందే. This bullshit connects who wants to send and who wants to take.
Okay.
Right. So this is what the UI would look like. So you would have a client, and then initially, if exists or not, log in and sign up untadi. And then you would have send, receive, and transport. But I'm trying to think of a way to merge send and receive to just one option, and then we can divide it to another page. But ideally, you would have 3 options. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So let's
What's
say
the difference between send and okay, makes sense. Transport until you are willing to take it. Okay.
no, send and transport is completely different. Transport is the
you are willing to take it like a transport.
Yeah. So now let's say you click on send. This is when this is the search for whoever's transporting whatever. The guy who's flying. So then you would have a list of things you can see there. So you would have his name, where he's going, and then automatic leaving in n days, auto updated. Cool. So let's say he clicks on Ramsesh. Okay, fair enough. Ramsesh. Let's say he's clicking on Ramsesh, and then the request will be sent. So basically, when you create when you submit your item, daniki you're creating a request. So which means I have this item and I click on Ramesh, so I want Ramesh to take this item for me. That's what it means. So then we have 1 second. Yeah, so then we have the transport, the guy who's taking the stuff. Right? So I think it's self-explanatory. What he would do is he would submit his journey, how much he's willing, his name, all of that, and then his information would be added to the listings page.
Okay.
Cool. Makes sense? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now let's say this is in the perspective of the transporter again, but then this is when he receives the request. Right? So notification pane you can see this. So that's a little something. Okay. So he clicks on the notification and then he gets a list of notifications, and then he can choose to, this is your Tinder thing, but instead of swiping, it's just
yes or no.
And then I say yes or no. So when I say yes, your accept has been sent.
There's a lot I need to do.
Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah, no, Anna, it's not just you. I just looked into the architecture. I don't know anything about. I don't know anything. Anna. Right? So
No, none front end is something, and UI UX development is something. That's why.
yeah, I know. No, but నేనేం అంటానంటే I thought data science, machine learning మించి నాకు I know everything. ఇదే అదే చేస్తాను. What is this architecture అని I just went through Django, all of those frameworks.
Yeah, that's it.
చచ్చిపోయినా నేను ఏంది క్లయింట్ సైడ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అంట, సర్వర్ సైడ్ అర్థమవుతాంది కానీ భయం వేస్తుంది. రైట్. సో trader, transporter, connected, which is equal to what you saw in the first image. Okay. Now comes the microservices. So the plan is not to write it in one entire code base. We're going to have different modules that will do different things, which is the right way to do it. Because if you're writing it all in one code base, like if else, if that is monolithic. నాశనం అయిపోతుంది అప్లికేషన్ మొత్తం.
నువ్వు నేను దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, యా పేర్లు బాగానే తెలుసు కానీ ఏం చేసేదని తెలుసుకోవాలి.
యా ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఒకటే చేద్దాం. I have some little idea about what the back end is going to look like. So I can also help you with the front end, because I don't know anything about the front end. So me and you would be starting at the same level. Right? So I think this diagram is self-explanatory.
Yeah.
You would have a ubiquitous login and sign up service, which is shared among both the clients. And then you would, I don't know what ubiquitous is. I thought, give me. And then you would have a trade submission service where you would post your item. And then you would have a transport publishing service where you post yourself going and coming. Listing service. And I don't know how we're going to do that. My idea with that is TikTok has constant streaming unlimited. You keep
no, if you put it unlimited then it is sutti because not everything is unlimited.
Yeah, so
either you reload the same names or
yeah. I don't know. I was just thinking something like that. So it's not unlimited, it's limited. So after the transport listing service, we have a chat service, and then we have a matching/connection service where you take two and then you do తీసుకోబోతా అన్నాడు నీ పెళ్ళాన్ని. And then the external payment service, I have no idea, but it's included. We have to look into that. And then all of this would be,
I can take care of the payments because I already done it once.
Yeah, the Stripe.
No, I use Klarna.
Okay, so they have a service we can integrate.
Yeah.
You know what Stripe is?
Yes.
Is it?
I wanted to use Stripe, and I want it's more expensive than Klarna.
What? How much is Klarna?
It's 3.5 or something
per call.
Yeah, per order or something. But the Stripe is around the amount of 4.
Yeah, okay. So that is the external service. Now this is the highest level data flow diagram.
What the hell is data flow diagram?
Basically, what happens? It's how the data moves. I'll explain. See, trader unnadu, right? So he's going to create a submission. He's going to create an order in the. He's going to create an order. I don't know what I don't know how else to tell you this. I need it to go somewhere. So he's going to create that. Right? So then that would be written in the item inventory. Okay. After it's register in the item inventory, he can then search for transporters for that item in the list of transporters, which is coming from the transporter inventory.
Okay.
Once he finds someone that he likes, he requests that transporter, and then you would have the item, and then you would have the transporter as a new record in that database. Request database will be formed. So ఈడు ఇది తీసుకోపోతాడు అనే ఇన్వెంటరీలో ఆ రికార్డ్ వస్తుంది. That is the idea. Cool. So now the transporter, in the case of the transporter, he's going to publish his journey. I'm going to India, destination Hyderabad on so and so date. So that data instance will be recorded in the transporter inventory. So the list of transporters will be pulling shit from the transporter inventory. Cool. Now he will also need to view the trade request that he has on his name. So again, list of requests will be coming from the request inventory. So does this make sense? Is it clear? Okay. If I had to present to someone, would they understand?
Not really, but
what the fuck you? No, someone who would know what is going on, like.
Yeah, probably they'll understand if they know. Then I want to know.
Yeah, of course. Like if I tell.
If you show it to someone like Adi or something, then they won't understand.
Of course you won't know. Yeah. So, but
yeah, Sasha won't understand. I think.
Huh? Don't pick names. Right.
నీ కాంపిటీషన్ రే
వద్దు చెప్తాను నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తా. డోంట్ పిక్ ఎనీ నేమ్స్ నౌ. లెట్స్ కీప్ ఇట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్. డోంట్ పిక్ నేమ్స్ ప్లీజ్.
శ్వేత అక్కని అడిగారు
నీకు ఐ టోల్డ్ నీకు అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను ప్లీజ్. డోంట్ పిక్ ఎనీ నేమ్స్, కీప్ ఇట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ ప్లీజ్. Now, so this record recording this.
Okay.
చెప్పేంత వరకు మూసుకో కదా నువ్వు.
Why exactly is it being recorded?
Because I'll forget and I need the inputs.
Okay.
So now this is clear kada? Anything I need to change, or is anything that feels off in this?
The diagram structure probably.
What about it?
Keep the request inventory as a separate entity lag.
Requests inventory, that is a separate entity kada?
No, it looks like a separate entity and every other line is going there. So you make it outside so people know that it's going there lag. Because anything that happens in this is basically the environment routed back to this.
Routed back to request inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is a separate entity.
It might not be clear until because it's the main part, and then the environment by looking at the diagrams, it doesn't seem like the main part.
Okay. Okay. Centralize now.
Kind of.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not changing the diagram. This is too much work. Okay, I'll just write next to it. It's the central part.
Yeah.
Cool. So now comes the division of labor now. Client side is yours.
Okay.
Server side is mine. Database we can share, or I'll cook up something. That's not a problem. The database is not at all a problem for the time being. It is the front end and the back end. So what I learned today was, first of all, my requirement endante we are serving data to a client who is going to view it on this. We don't have a web application. We do have a web application, but we don't have a desktop application. It's not a computer application. It's a phone application. So phone on kukutantam. Now, server side application, I'm doing it in Python Django. Cool. Because నాకు Python చెప్తే ఏం రాదు. and I just realized even that Python that I know is not enough to do the Django. So I I need to learn more things. Okay, not a problem. So now, list of items, list of requests, all of this is basically uh, calls to the database. ORM ante object relation map. It's like basically APIs to the database. Right? ఇప్పుడు జావాకి జేడిబిసి ఉంది కదా.
So what you want me to do then? I wonder is UI UX and
No, not UI UX. No, it's not UI UX. Okay, maybe
basic.
it's a little. No, it's not completely UI UX, Mama. Let me wait, relax. See, now I want you to center the button. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. I'll be done and I'm under and with this by what do you call it? October.
Bruh.
No, I'll be getting free resources from KTH.
Okay, I don't like I will help you with the front end because now I need to know, so you don't have to worry about that. Like I just
I'm doing a course on it, Sam. Yeah, I purposely took it just for building my own things like.
yeah, of course. But I'll just tell you my experience with front end. I chose Flutter. Do you know Flutter? Google's Flutter.
No.
It's a framework that allows you to create multi cross-platform apps. So you write the code once and then it can run on any platform. So now I made a little app. I don't know if you can see it. This is what the app is called. It's called Workout app. Now, when you click it, okay, this is the most disgusting app I've seen in my life now. Right? So the intention is I have to run 10 kilometers a day and walk 10,000 steps, and each day of the week I have some workouts that I track. Okay, so now let's say I finish 10,000 steps. When I click that, it turns green. So I'm not done yet. And then when I finish 10 kilometers, that also turns green. So it's supposed to stay green, right, for the entire day. But when I close the app, it's not green anymore. I don't know what to do. Huh? No, and then look. Okay, maybe let's say Monday I have a workout. Okay, and then there's a, I don't know if you can see. Can you see?
No.
Bro. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a table. It's called a widget. This whole thing is called a widget. So it's called a table widget. And then you can enter your weight, the number of sets you did, the number of reps you did. Okay. Now let's say I did bench press 40 kgs for 3 sets. And I enter that. Okay. Now there is no submit button, there is no save button. Which means when I exit the app, it's gone. So that is my experience with front end. So I'm at this probably like even lower than what you are. It's not a problem. But Idima, this is the thing. Yeah, that's all. So I don't know. We have to finish this as soon as possible.
Because by the start of October until September 30th probably. I will be the narrator presenting you with the whole front end, including you know, the creativity I can put behind UI UX and
Fuck the UI UX. Like nobody gives a shit. It's
no, see the narrator. If you make an app and it looks disgusting, you don't want to use it.
of course, Anna, but like
See, you don't not, then I want to need to go that far into Figma and all those kind of things to do some UI UX.
yeah.
You make some basic designs which can probably help in making it look
But
cleaner.
that's not the thing, Gada. We have
That's
to
the second thing, and now the first thing is obviously making something that works.
yeah.
That isn't that hard, but then making it presentable is the
Would
hard part.
presenting this at your incubator program do any good?
Yeah,
Then let's fucking do it, mom. Yeah. Okay. Cool then.
but then the thing is, what exactly are you gaining from this is the question they're going to ask us.
Dub.
Hmm?
Dub.
No, where is the money making in this?
Commission. Stop sharing my screen.
Yeah, yeah. With
For every
see, you're targeting a very niche audience, okay?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. For now, uh, when someone is transporting something for you, is going to get paid on that.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever he gets paid, దాంట్లో commission.
See, they're not paying because the luggage fees is already paid in the ticket. So they're not carrying extra luggage. They're carrying the vacancy in there luggage.
You still have to like pay for that, kada. Like,
Let's say you're getting stuff for me and I don't pay you.
because I know you don't pay me, but
Yeah, I could India pisina rules. I mean, if you put money, then yeah, of course, no one's gonna. But then your target audience is Indians.
yeah,
So where exactly is the money maker in this? And I can get you investment when there is money involved, and there is no money involved in this. It's like a personal project, like
when you know someone who's coming, you would obviously not give or take money. But let's say you need something urgent.
see, it's urgency that makes you money and growth. Then what are the chances everyone or most people are urgent in a single day? Like,
You don't know that, so you cannot prove.
yeah, neither does the the investor. Kada. He
Yeah.
needs promises. Yeah.
So then let's not go with the investor. Then. Let's not present. Now, if he wants to know where the money is coming, I don't know, bro. We'll only know when it is
See,
deployed. Kada.
he's only investing because he's expecting something back from us. If we don't have anything that we can give to him, it's basically let's say that we have like a company and
అర్థమైంది 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 but you some X will try to find Y who's going to India and then send him his stuff with him and then
okay, let's say that you have membership fee and go. Because
Oh.
membership fee is the only way where you can do some stuff on. ఇది అక్కడ దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఈ డేట్ ఈ టైం ఈ రోజు వెళ్తున్నారని చెప్పి if people have contacts they can just call them up and then just talk to them directly.
Yeah, that's also true.
Like let's say that your dad knows someone that's going to India and go.
Yeah.
And then my dad called your dad saying that సార్ లేకపోతే మంజునాథ్ గారు మీకు ఎవరైనా తెలుసా ఇది ఇండియాకి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు
Yeah, I know.
he'll say the name and then my dad will send it through them.
So now what's your verdict now?
My verdict is we need to find a way to integrate money into this. In my way is to reserve or get to know a person's details they pay money.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not denying what you say,
So
guys.
దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, only thing that is shown in that box is the destination and the weight, nothing else. Like when they're leaving or what. Maybe when they're leaving, yes, but nothing else.
Yeah, that's
No names, nothing.
name లేకుండా ఎట్లా?
ఇప్పుడు ఫేస్బుక్ మార్కెట్ ప్లేస్ లో నీ అకౌంట్ ద్వారా
Okay, yeah,
వస్తుంది
yeah,
మెసేజ్.
fair.
We are going to guarantee that is an actual person.
Fair. Yeah, okay, then we can go with that. Where he's going, how much he's willing, and that's all.
And then if you want to make even more money involved,
Uh,
a normal member can only దాన్ని ఏమంటారు transfer up to 5 kgs per
uh,
month.
uh.
But then a premium member దాన్ని ఏమంటారు can take up to 25 kgs.
Yeah, but who is like willing to take 25 kgs for someone?
25 kgs for someone అనట్లే నేను. ఇక్కడ 5 kgs అంటే not directly 5 kgs.
Then
5 kgs across multiple people.
okay.
So 25 kgs across multiple people అంటున్నా.
Okay, but what would they possibly have that is 5 kgs across? Like, if I want to bring in, I don't know.
సురేష్ అంకుల్ వాళ్ళకంటే పుష్ప ఆంటీ వాళ్ళకి we gave 10 kgs worth of stuff. Don't ask me what that is because even I don't know.
Okay.
But then they gladly took it and then they're like, fine, paying on it.
Did you pay?
No, of course not.
Okay.
That's why it's either contacts or the app we have. There's no other option like it.
Yeah.
You can also get companies involved in this. Find people who are getting the containers and then connect them. Basically be the brokers like.
Yeah. But let's get some minimal product out there now.
That's how exactly that's how a guy made 200 million in during COVID time. He connected some Chinese mask making companies to hospitals in South America. Because they were in severe need of masks and everything. After COVID, he was a multi-millionaire. So commission.
That's what. It's just commission. So we have to get some demo piece at least out there.
Throw the parking thing aside for now. And then let's put December as the goal until this becomes the end product. So this becomes a prototype.
Okay. All right.
Because I'm assuming it start or the interaction programming thing starts for me in August. Of course, I'm going to do something before Gani. I'll have more access to stuff during the course.
Yeah.
Like, and I can ask the teacher or someone that I know for random things.
Okay.
It's more helpful than me using ChatGPT or some other AI.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I think that's about it more. Yeah. So try to find a framework that is phone compatible. Ideally, it's Kotlin, but the learning curve for Kotlin is not even linear, or it's not even like it's exponential. It's only y-axis.
Well, yeah. But then, it's similar to Java and some people told, so I don't know.
Which is in your benefit.
Yeah.
Yeah. React JS is easy, I was told. But But
I was trying to get into React, but then I don't know.
yeah, yeah. No, I also don't know. I saw Django చూసిన ఈరోజు, fast చూసిన ఈరోజు. I don't know what the like. It's not even Python. It's terrifying. It's Shaitan. But I think it's fine, ma.
It will take time, but we'll get into it.
Today or Enros కూర్చుంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది. Like today, I didn't know anything about client server architecture, and now look, I'm presenting half-baked knowledge to you. So I mean, వస్తుంది. Yeah.
I'll see what I can do.
Yeah. అంతే.
You want to see the workspace, Mao?
Yeah, absolutely, ma.
So I am holding the laptop because I didn't connect it to anything.
Yes.
So that's కీబోర్డు దాన్ని ఏమంటారు వచ్చేసి మాము
బ్యాట్స్మెన్ వచ్చేసినాడు. బ్యాట్ కేవలం
ఇది కూడా ఉంది మాము.
ఏంది? ఓకే, కూల్.
Yeah.
Now is that yours or you have to share it with your ayya?
No, this is completely mine.
The
This
whole room.
thing, it's mine after 10 o'clock.
Okay. No, but before 10 o'clock you have to share.
No, this one I don't have to share at all.
Did you buy that?
Yeah. Not myself. I got it as a gift.
What the who's giving you gifts like that?
I don't know. ఇది దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? I don't know, salary hike or something. I don't know.
Damn, okay.
But then these two monitors, I'll get it after 10 o'clock.
Okay, not bad. Yeah, it's cool. Productivity and that.
Yeah. So దాంట్లో దాన్ని ఏమంటారు?
Or you can extend the range of the puku you can say.
Multi-screen poop.
Okay, relax. I forgot to say. Yeah.
బట్ యా మామ, నువ్వు ఇదంతా చేసేసి శ్వేతక్కకి ప్రపోజ్ చేయాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
అంటే ఇట్స్ స్టిల్ రికార్డింగ్ మామ, ప్లీజ్.
అయితే ఆపు మామ, ఇప్పుడు మనం